Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it says, so direct variation looks like this. Like the direct variation equation looks like this. Y equals kx.
Oh, I know what direct variation is.
Which it looks a lot like this, actually. It looks a
Mm-hmm.
lot like that. The only difference is b is equal to 0 in direct variation. So that means that if you were to graph a direct variation problem, if you were to graph it, you're not going to get like different y-intercepts. You're not going to be like, there we go.
It's going to hit the 0.
It's always going to hit through the 0. It's always going to go like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And then these are actually really easy to do. So
Yeah, I remember what we did in class. I just forgot like the terminology for it. Now I remember like.
So all you do is you say, all right, well when y is 20, so you just solve for k. You just get k.
Yeah, then and x is 10, then divide.
10 and 10 and 10.
And you have k.
K is equal to 2, and then put it back together again. You're going to get y is equal to 2x. So write the direct variation equation that shows the relationship between x and y. So that's it right there.
Mm-hmm.
If they were asking for
Y.
well, and then a lot of times they'll be like, okay, well, what's y when x is? If you have that, what's y when x is like 10?
Mm-hmm.
Then you just plug your 10 in right there.
There's also it's joint variation. There's also
Yes.
and there's also what's the second one?
Indirect variation.
Indirect variation. Yeah.
So indirect variation that's y is equal to k over x.
Yeah.
I believe. I probably should look that up. I think that's it. So yeah, that's a formula for indirect variation. And then if it tells you like y varies directly, y is what is it? Oh yeah, y varies directly as x, but inversely as z.
And that's gonna be.
What's that going to be?
It's gonna be joint, right?
Uh huh.
And is that gonna be like? It's gonna be kr over x maybe? Or,
It's like it varies directly as x, but inversely as z.
oh yeah, that's what it is. Yeah.
That's all. That's it.
Yeah, we did a specific lesson on this, but for whatever reason, the word direct variations works like